Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a SheerID student account. First, go to a website that offers a student deal such as Nike or Spotify. Then click on Student Discount or Verify with SheerID to start the process. Next, enter your student information. Fill in your full name, your date of birth, your school name, and your country. After that, enter your school email if it is available. Make sure all the details match exactly with your official school records to avoid rejection. Now, if your school is recognized in SheerID's system, you may receive instant approval. However, if your school is not automatically verified, you will need to upload proof such as your student ID card or an enrollment document. After that, wait for the approval process to complete. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email and then you can access your student discount. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.